Hi, my name is Nuralya Natasha binti MUSA from class BA29, student number 2022452688. Today, I would like to discuss on topic turning trash into treasure. Overflowing landfills and ocean burden with non-eco-friendly materials present an urgent call to action. The current issue is increasing single-use plastic waste. One important aspect of the current state of waste is the escalating problem of single-use plastics. The widespread use of disposable items such as packaging, utensils, and masks during the ongoing global health crisis had led to a surge in plastic waste. Improper disposal and lack of effective recycling mechanism increase environmental concern as this plastic contribute to pollution in oceans and landfills. Another pressing issue in the current state of waste is the electronic waste. With the rapid pace of technological advancements and shorter product lifespan, electronic devices are being discarded at unprecedented rates. E-waste pose unique challenge due to the presence of hazardous materials, making proper recycling and disposal crucial. Inadequate e-waste management not only contribute to environmental pollution but also raise concerns about resource depletion and potential health risks associated with electronic components. But what if we could view this waste not as a problem but as an opportunity? This is where the journey of turning trash into treasure begins. According to the graph and statistic, the world generates nearly 2 billion tons of municipal solid waste each year. Municipal solid waste refers to the broad category of waste generated by households, businesses, institutions, and other non-industrial activities within a municipal or local area. It encompasses a wide range of material discarded in everyday life, excluding industrial, agricultural, and hazardous waste. The amount of trash created is set to rise as the world population continues to grow. Between 2016 until 2050, waste is expected to increase by as much as 70% according to the World Bank. According to this analysis funded by the BBVA Foundation and Spanish Science Ministry, plastic items are the main culprits in ocean garbage. Single-use plastic bags take the lead, making up 14.1% of the identified item across 7 aquatic ecosystems. Following closely are plastic bottles at 11.9%, with food container and cutlery at 9.4%. The study also highlighted other common waste items in our ocean, including wrappers 9.1%, synthetic rope 7.9%, fishing gear 7.6%, and plastic caps or lid 6.1%. Interestingly, shorelines near coasts tend to accumulate more waste, but discarded fishing gear, in particular, is concentrated in the open ocean, constituting more than half of all documented waste. Imagine a world where every used item gets a second chance at life. That's the essence of recycling. It's the practice of collecting and processing materials like paper, plastic, or metal to create brand new products. Recycling is not just about tossing things into separate bins, it's a powerful act that gives materials a fresh start, reducing our reliance on extracting and manufacturing new resources. Recycling is like a superhero for our environment because it saves precious resources instead of digging up new stuff from the earth, like metals and minerals that we can't replace. Recycling lets us use things again. Imagine aluminum cans, instead of using lots of energy to make them from rocks, we can just recycle and use them again. So, next, we continue to types of recycling. The first one is organic. Organic recycling, a sustainable practice, revolves around the transformation of eco-friendly materials like food scraps and yard waste into compost or natural fertilizers. This eco-friendly process not only enrich soil but also reduce dependence on chemical fertilizers, promoting a healthier environment. The second one is plastic. A crucial aspect of waste management involves the systematic collections and processing of used plastic materials. Through meticulous sorting, cleaning, and melting, these materials are reshaped into new products, contributing to a circular economy and mitigating the environmental impact of plastic waste. The third one is electronic recycling, also known as e-waste recycling, address the responsible disposal of electronic devices. This process aims to recover valuable metals while ensuring the safe management of hazardous components. By recycling electronic gadgets, we contribute to resources conservation and minimize the environmental footprint associated with electronic waste. Engaging in the art of turning trash into treasure, upcycling represents a creative and environmentally process of taking old or discarded items and repurposing them to create something new. Unlike recycling, which involves breaking down materials to create new products, upcycling involves transforming existing items into new and often more aesthetically pleasing or functional ones. The goal of upcycling is to minimize waste, promote sustainability, and give new life to objects that might otherwise end up in landfills. Upcycling can be applied to various materials, including furniture, clothing, household items, and more. It often requires creativity and a willingness to see the potential in items that others might consider outdated. For example, someone might upcycle an old wooden pallet into a unique piece of furniture, or turn discarded fabric into fashionable clothing or accessories. Upcycling encourages resourcefulness and environmental consciousness by finding innovative ways to reuse materials and reduce the demand for new resources. Next, I would like to talk about success stories and real world impact. The first one, innovative ways to energy technologies. Cities worldwide are leading the charge in waste management by implementing innovative ways to energy technologies. This initiative not only address the challenge of escalating waste but also transform it into available resources. Facilities using methods like incinerations or biogas production contribute to reduce landfill dependency and generate electricity from waste, fostering more sustainable urban environments. The second one is entrepreneur ventures in upcycling. The success of upcycling initiative extend beyond environmental benefit. By creating a sustainable market for upcycled products, entrepreneurs contribute to job creation in the green economy. This not only address waste-related challenge but also fosters economic growth in industries focused on sustainable and circular practices. The third one is broader implication and inspiration. Success stories in turning trash into treasure highlight the broader implication of resource conservation by emphasizing the value in waste materials. This initiative contribute to a reduction in the demand for new raw materials and promoting a more sustainable and circular economy. As we wrap up this journey, let's not forget that each act of recycling is a step toward a more sustainable, cleaner, and brighter future. The magic of turning trash into treasure is not a distant fantasy, it's a tangible reality we can all contribute to. So let's embrace this concept, champion recycling in our daily life, and collectively pave the way for a planet where every piece of discarded materials becomes a valuable gem in our journey towards a more sustainable tomorrow. Thank you for listening to me on this topic, turning trash into treasure, where each of us has the power to be an agent of positive change.